This was created for you, that has built so much, and yet the level of joy you want to experience for the fruits of your labor are just out of your grasp. This is created for you if you have been spinning a very long time, either in your personal or your professional life, and you haven't quite gotten the answers. This is for my friends that are driving in masculine energy and are seeking to awaken more of this feminine energy you've been hearing about without sacrificing your achievements. Some of those body aches you've been dealing with that you think are normal or part of aging or part of the stress or who knows what, you're still searching with doctors maybe to find out. You may just uncover it over this weekend as we deep dive into the soul and spirit that has been hungry to be paid more attention to. You serve so many. And in this space, the reason we created a stress-free backdrop for you is because you handle details. And so when you arrive, you can opt to have us have a driver bring you to the villa. This opulent environment that is exquisite backdrop with a chef that's going to feed you to your dietary needs as you nourish your body, your soul. We're going to use many modalities that usually have to go to a lot of different platforms to access. So we're going to go to the mind, the body, the soul, and the subconscious and conscious, and really allow it to speak to you. You're going to also become a body whisperer. You're going to be able to listen to your own best voice again, or maybe for the first time. And you're going to have a space that's sacred for your sexual reclamation. Some of you are dead in that space, and some of you just want to amp it up, because who doesn't? Are you ready? Because luxurious opulence awaits you as you untamed in Costa Rica at a boutique-sized female-only event that is sure to awaken and release that which no longer serves you so that you can level up to the next best version of yourself. So if you're a woman that knows that abundance is your birthright, and you're ready to seek how you can access more of it without more sacrifice, this has been created just for you. Let's create a circle, a tight circle community, like way back, where women were created to sit by a campfire and pass on their secrets. We're going to bring them to you, untamed in Costa Rica. Perhaps I'll see you there. God bless.